Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Yufan Ramdanisa. I'm from TBE 1C, and I would like to explaining about useful. The first topic useful is describing something. Okay, the first, she is very creative and full of new ideas. Dia sangat kreatif dan penuh dengan ide-ide baru. The part that describes it is she is very creative. Next, my room is small but comfortable to study in. Kamarku kecil tapi nyaman untuk belajar. The part that describes it is my room is small. Next, she has long, straight hair that she always ties neatly. Dia memiliki rambut panjang dan lurus yang selalu diikat rapi. The part that describes it is she has long hair. Next, the library is quiet and perfect for reading books. Perpustakaan ini tenang dan sangat cocok untuk membaca buku. The part that describes it is the library is quiet. He looks serious when he is concentrating on his work. Dia terlihat serius ketika sedang berkonsentrasi pada pekerjaannya. The part that describes it is he looks serious. Next, the park is clean and full of green trees that makes it relaxing. Taman ini bersih dan dipenuhi pepohonan hijau yang membuatnya terasa menenangkan. The part that is describes it is the park is clean. Next, the museum is modern and displays many interesting artifacts. Museum ini modern dan memamerkan banyak artefak menarik. Part that describe it is the museum is modern. And the second topic is telling past event, and the useful is last weekend I went to the beach with my family. Akhir pekan lalu saya pergi ke pantai bersama keluarga saya. The part that past event is the last weekend I went to the beach. Next, I took many pictures to remember that moment. Saya mengambil banyak foto untuk mengenang momen tersebut. The part that past event is I took many pictures. Next, I met my old friends while walking around the city. Saya bertemu teman lama saya saat berjalan-jalan di kota. The part that past event is I met my old friends. Last year, I joined an English competition at the school. Tahun lalu, saya mengikuti kompetisi bahasa Inggris di sekolah saya. The part that past event is last year, I joined English competition. 3 years ago, I moved to a new house. 3 tahun lalu, saya pindah ke rumah baru. The part that past event is 3 years ago, I moved to a new house. And the next topic is reporting something. The example useful is my teacher said that we would have a test next week. Guru saya mengatakan bahwa kita akan mengikuti ujian minggu depan. The part that reporting something is my teacher said. Next, my friend told me that he was feeling tired yesterday. Temanku mengatakan bahwa dia merasa lelah kemarin. The part that reporting something is my friend told me. She told me that she had finished her homework. Dia memberitahuku bahwa dia sudah menyelesaikan pekerjaan rumahnya. The part that reporting something is she told me. Next, my classmate informed me that the schedule had changed. Teman sekelasku memberitahuku bahwa jadwalnya telah berubah. The part that reporting something is my classmate informed. Next, the doctor advised me to take a rest for a few days. Dokter menyarankan saya untuk beristirahat beberapa hari. The part that's reporting something is the doctor advised me. The next topic is reporting something. Example useful is this concept help us understand how the system works. Konsep ini membantu kita memahami cara kerja sistem tersebut. The part that reporting something is this concept help us. Let me explain how this process actually happens in real life. Izinkan saya menjelaskan bagaimana proses ini sebenarnya terjadi dalam kehidupan nyata. The part that reporting something is let me explain. Next, in simple words, this theory shows how people learn language. Sederhananya, teori ini menunjukkan bagaimana orang mempelajari bahasa. The part that reporting something is, in simple words. To clarify the idea, I will give another example. Untuk memperjelas maksudnya, saya akan memberikan contoh lain. The part that reporting something is, to clarify the idea. What I want to explain is the main idea of this chapter. Yang ingin saya jelaskan adalah gagasan utama dari bab ini. The part that reporting something is what I want to explain. Next topic is telling issue and argument. And the useful is the issue has become more serious in recent years. Masalah ini menjadi semakin serius dalam beberapa tahun terakhir. Next, others argue that online learning offers more flexibility. Sebagian yang lain berpendapat bahwa pembelajaran daring menawarkan lebih banyak fleksibilitas. The part of argument is others argue that one possible solution is the promotion better public education. Salah satu solusi yang mungkin adalah dengan mempromosikan pendidikan publik yang lebih baik. The part of argument is one possible solution. One strong argument is that waste management must be improved. Salah satu argumen yang kuat adalah bahwa pengelolaan limbah harus ditingkatkan. The part of argument is one a strong argument. In my opinion, students should learn how to manage their screen time. Menurut saya, siswa harus belajar bagaimana mengatur waktu penggunaan layar mereka. The part of argument is, in my opinion. Okay, the next topic is telling procedure. For example, useful is first, prepare all the materials you need. Pertama, siapkan semua bahan yang Anda butuhkan. This is usually used when making something. Next, after that, check whether everything is working properly. Setelah itu, periksa apakah semuanya berfungsi dengan baik. This is usually used when you want to know how to operate something. Next, then make all the ingredients together. Kemudian, campur semua bahan menjadi satu. This is usually used when making food. Next, make sure you read the guidelines carefully. Pastikan Anda membaca panduan dengan seksama. This is usually used to get maximum results. Next, if you make a mistake, repeat the step again. Jika Anda membuat kesalahan, ulangi langkah tersebut. This is usually used to operate something. And the last topic is storytelling. And useful example is one day something unexpected happened. Suatu hari sesuatu yang tak terduga terjadi. Usually this happens at the start of a conflict. Suddenly a loud noise comes from the forest. Tiba-tiba suara keras terdengar dari hutan. This usually happens at the peak of the problem. Then he met a stranger who offered to help him. Kemudian dia bertemu dengan orang asing yang menawarkan bantuan kepadanya. This usually leads to conflict resolution. Next, the character felt scared but continued walking. Tokoh tersebut merasa takut tetapi terus berjalan. This is a tense atmosphere. Next, once upon a time, there was a girl who lived in a small village. Dahulu kala hiduplah seorang gadis di sebuah desa kecil. This is usually when introducing characters.